Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take 100 word essay on nature. 100 word essay on nature. Before I start, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or recommendations, you can write them in the comments below. So, let's start. We live on the most beautiful planet. The most beautiful planet. Earth, which has a very clean and attractive nature. Which has very clean and attractive nature. Full of greenery. Nature is our best friend. Nature is our best friend, which provides us all the resources to live here. All the resources to live here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals, plants, for our other uses. Our other uses, etc. For our betterment. We should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing. Enjoy the nature without disturbing its ecological balance. We should care our nature. We should care our nature. Make it peaceful. Keep it clean. and to prevent it from destruction. Prevent it from destruction. So that we can enjoy our nature forever. So that we can enjoy our nature forever. Nature is the most precious gift. The most precious gift given by God to us. Given by God to us. To enjoy, but not to harm. We live on the most beautiful planet, the Earth, which has very clean and attractive nature full of greenery. Nature is our best friend, which provides us all the resources to live here. It gives us water to drink, pure air to breathe, food to eat, land to stay, animals, plants for our other uses, for our betterment. We should fully enjoy the nature without disturbing its biological balance. We should care our nature, make it peaceful, keep it clean, and prevent it from destruction so that we can enjoy our nature forever. Nature is the most precious gift given by God to us, to enjoy but not to harm. So this was today's Say on Nature. See you next time. Goodbye.